If you've ever noticed a ticking noise coming from your engine, you're not alone. While it can be unsettling, it's essential to address the issue promptly to prevent potential damage. In this video, we'll explore common reasons behind engine ticking and provide practical solutions to keep your vehicle running smoothly. 1. Low oil levels. Inadequate lubrication can lead to increased friction and ticking sounds. Check your oil levels regularly and top up if needed. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for oil change intervals. 2. Worn valve lifters. Over time, valve lifters may wear out, causing ticking noises during engine operation. Replace worn valve lifters. Consult your vehicle's service manual for guidance, or seek professional assistance. 3. Exhaust leak. A leak in the exhaust system can produce ticking sounds as hot gases escape. Inspect the exhaust system for leaks and repair or replace damaged components. Tighten loose connections as necessary. 4. Timing chain issues. A loose or damaged timing chain can create ticking noises. Have the timing chain inspected by a qualified mechanic. If necessary, replace the timing chain according to your vehicle's maintenance schedule. 5. Spark knock. Spark knock, caused by improper ignition timing or low-quality fuel, can result in ticking sounds. Use high-quality fuel and ensure your ignition timing is within the manufacturer's specifications. If the issue persists, consult a professional for further diagnosis. Ensuring the health of your engine is crucial for a smooth and reliable driving experience. If you found this information helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more automotive tips and insights. Share this video with fellow car enthusiasts, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest content. Your support helps us continue providing valuable information to keep your vehicles running at their best. Drive safely.